Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy. Now 99 divided by 33 times 1 plus 2 in parentheses. So we have here 1 plus 2 gives us 3, and now we have 99 divided by 33 times 3. Now 33 times 3 gives us 99. 99 divided by 99 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3. And now we have 99 divided by 33, and we have one multiplication here and 3. So according to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve from left to right. Now 99 divided by 33 gives us 3, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. The final answer is 9. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and please subscribe to give me energy.